London is the city I spent most of my working life in. It's a city I love, but for too many Londoners, the quality of our lives is not improving. And that's why I think it's time to apply fresh thinking and creativity and energy to the problems that really concern Londoners. I've been across London from Zone 1 to Zone 6. I've been to every one of the 32 boroughs, and I've talked across London to people from every background, every community, who agree that the number one issue for them is crime and disorder and the fear of crime, and their feeling of anger that not enough is being done to protect them, especially in the areas for which the mayor is directly responsible. Over the last few years, we've seen the loss of gardens 22 times the size of Hyde Park. I want to protect and improve our urban environment. That's why I'm going to have new incentives to encourage recycling, and I'm going to write the protection of gardens into the Mayor's London plan. Public transport in London is now more expensive than in any other Western European city, and yet the motorist is clobbered. I want to reform the congestion charge. I want to crack down on the utilities companies that dig up the holes in the roads and leave them untended for days on end by fining them with fixed penalty notices. And I want to free up traffic so that it moves smoothly in a way that is more environmentally friendly. And I think it's about time we had a creative solution for Londoners. So we do a deal with the unions and we say, we're going to offer you independent binding arbitration in the event of a dispute about pay and conditions, in exchange for which you don't go on strike. And it's about time we upgraded the tube and concentrated on track and signalling to the benefit of Londoners, so we got tube trains moving more swiftly through the tunnels to pick us up, which is what we all want. If you want change on May the 1st, you've got to register to vote. And if you want to vote, you've got to go to the polling station, which will be located somewhere very near where you live. And if you can't get to the polling station, you can always get a postal vote, provided you do it by April the 16th.